Uh, Let me
Okay.
focus a little bit onto the personal part of it. How do you personally define the ethical sort of limits of intelligence work?
So you have to have that, but then you also have to recognize and keep a constant governor on yourself about, am I about to, is that more elasticity? Is it about to snap? And a lot of times the right clever is the bad thing, and the good thing is the wrong thing. Go be a banker. Go be an accountant. Go stuff something else. But if you're on emotional quicker normalist, and it was a maybe a two-way conversation with myself, where if you're not emotionally quick to handle this, and it's not compartmentalizing anything like that, it's just recognizing the reality of what your chosen profession is. And I love my job so much that I was able to recognize that and have a dramatized amount of conversation with myself. So that impacts me more to psychological perspective and emotional perspective than the occupational thing.